Hi everyone, today I'm making a special drink for the very first time and I thought it would look cute to have some blue boba at the bottom of the cup. If you want to see how to make boba, go to my playlist and look for my cafe secrets and scroll through and you'll see how to make boba from scratch. And this right here is butterfly pea flowers. It's going to be a really cute drink. We're going to have blue bobas at the bottom of the cup. We're going to have the tea, which is very gorgeous because you're going to see it will turn beautiful blue color. And then we'll have a blue Dalgona sweet cream foam at the top. This is a very special tea and it's kind of hard to find. I never saw this tea outside. I had to order it online. See how pretty it is? And it will turn darker blue the longer it stays in this hot water. Now I'm going to drop these bobas in the boiling water, and when they start floating to the top, which doesn't take too long, that's when I know that they're done. Want to see something interesting about this tea? It's like magical. Look, it will be blue, but when it touches citrus, it turns purple. I just thought that was really amazing. It's almost like magic. It looks so pretty how it changes colors. Okay, these bobas are done. It's time to take them out. And I add a little bit of honey. And now it's time to make the Dalgona cream. I use 1/4 cup of the powdered cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of the actual tea, and a drop of the blue food color. And it takes a while to thicken, about 3 to 5 minutes. It's so thick and candy-like. If you let the mixers just sit with that heavy thick cream on it, it will turn into like a thick caramel like candy on there. So just to make the cup look pretty, I drizzled some sweet milk inside. And now I'm adding the blue boba, but you don't have to. That was just something extra I wanted to do. And I added some ice, and I put the ice all the way going to the top because the cream is very heavy and it will fall down, and the ice helps to support it so it stays at the top of the cup. Alright, and there it is. It looks so pretty. Wow, look how pretty this looks falling down. So everybody, this is the drink. Doesn't it look like some ice melting, some iceberg melting down into the ocean that is falling down? Okay, ready for the taste tester. Here comes Helona. I didn't sweeten the tea. I just have a little sweet milk in there, so it might not be super sweet for you.
Oh, it's great.
Flora, is it good? Is it good? Do a thumbs up if you like it. Do a thumbs up. Yeah, if you liked it.
There's absolutely 5 grams of caffeine in there.
There's no caffeine in this. And look, there's blue boba at the bottom. Uh-oh, little sister's gonna fight the big sister. She's gonna give it to me. Well, thanks for watching. So I thought this tea by itself, it tastes a little bit like plain lavender tea, and this is like a special treat to mix in the very thick topping and just have a little hint of the sweetness every time you take a sip, and with the chewy boba. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this recipe.